This is a gaming thumbnail as an example for you. I will show you how to create a pro thumbnail like this. From this video, you will be able to create thumbnails for other categories as well. Let's get started. Open Canva and go to Create a Design. Select Presentation, which will give you a blank whiteboard with the appropriate thumbnail size. Now, go to the Upload section, and I will upload a PUBG character to use in my thumbnail first. Go to the Edit Image Editor and remove its background first, guys. Like this, adjust the image perfectly, just as I'm doing right now. Now we need a background, so I will choose this image for the background. Right-click on the image, go to Layers, and by selecting Send Backwards put the image behind the PUBG character. Adjust its size very carefully, friends, then it will perfectly set as a background image. Go to Edit Image, click on the Blur option, then go to the image and blur it a little bit. Set his intensity how much you want. Like this, and after that, go to the Upload section and upload the same picture we just chose for the background, fam. Right-click on it and go to Layers, then select Send Backward. This image will go behind the PUBG character. Now, go to Transparency and reduce its transparency a little bit. Like that, viewers, and because of that, our background becomes more stunning and unique. Go to Elements and search for Yellow in the Element section. Choose the Blur Yellow effect because I will use it in my thumbnail. I will show you how. Increase the size of the element according to the background image. Then, right-click on the element, go to Layers, and click on Send Backward. After sending it backward, increase the size of the element again according to the background, like I said before. Like this, editors. Now, I will go to the Upload section again and import this image into our thumbnail as well. Now, I will go to the image editor and click on BG Remover to remove its background as well. Now, right-click on this element, go to Layers, and select Send Backward. Send this image behind the PUBG character like the others. I will adjust its size perfectly, then I will decrease its transparency. Let's decrease its transparency, and I will decrease it like I did with the background image, etc. After that, I will choose the yellow blur effect again. I will right-click on it, go to Layers, and send it backwards. Our yellow blur effect will be behind the pictures, and I will adjust it perfectly. Then, it will look cool. Go to the Upload section, and now I will upload this PUBG rank image onto the thumbnail. Then, I will go to Edit Image and click on BG Remover, and our background will be removed like a flash. Right-click, go to Layers, select Send Backward, and send it behind the character as well. I will go to Transparency and decrease the transparency of this image as well. I will go to Text and select this font for our thumbnail, and edit it with MVP, guys. I will adjust his size as well. Now, right-click, go to Layers, and send this text backward as well, friends. After that, I will go to Text Color and change it to yellow. Then, I will go to Text Effects and add this effect, also changing the effect border color to black because I want my text to be bold. I will decrease its transparency because it gives a stunning effect to my thumbnail. I will adjust my PUBG character a little bit because I want my thumbnail to be perfect. I will go to Elements and search for Yellow in the search section. I will pick this yellow element and then right-click on the element, go to Layers, and select Send Backward. Then, I will decrease its transparency a little bit to give a smoky effect on the PUBG character. I will pick the Blur Yellow effect again and decrease its transparency. Now, I will make some adjustments to the PUBG character. I will increase its clarity and make other changes. It's up to you if you want to do that or not. I will do one last thing, pick another yellow effect element and place it under the PUBG character. And lastly, I will add the PUBG logo. It's optional and up to your own desire. Bingo, this is our final thumbnail design. If you like my thumbnail and found this video helpful, then like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you.